We're going to go over some quick steps on getting your machine up and running. We have an instruction DVD that we're sending with the machine. It's 3 hours long, goes into a lot of detail about the various aspects of the machines, but this will get you going quickly as possible. Okay, the first thing you want to do is open the front door so you can put the glass in. So you'll lift up on this ring, lift it up, and it'll pop open the door. So you'll swing that all the way open, and then there's 2 tracks inside of here. So you'll put the glass in the track that'll be closest to the playfield. Okay, now with the plexiglass in, if you haven't already, you need to support your machine somehow so that it doesn't fall over. You can put it in a cabinet, or you can put a couple of boards on the bottom like we've done here. They're just a couple of 1x4s, about 10 inches long, and just screwed them into the bottom. That'll give you the support. The next thing you want to do, and after you put the plexiglass in, when you close it, you can just grab right here and squeeze to get that door to lock. Flip it around to the back. Now when we shipped it, the battery will need to be connected. So we slid it over the side. You can slide it over, and as you notice, the lights come on. They're coming on because there's no balls in the machine. So if ever you're playing and the lights are on, that means that you need to refill the top tray with balls. Now this shouldn't happen in shipment, but if you were to drop a few balls in now, they would just roll through and roll out. There's a little metal lever here. You need to slide it to the left, and when you do, these white levers lock in place. So now we can load balls into the top of the machine. I'll drop a few in just to check it. Okay, they stopped right here. That's good. We'll put in some more. Okay, that turned off this light. This light is still on, and this is the light for when you're out of balls. This light is your jackpot light. It's staying on because the seesaw is in the wrong position. It is a clear piece of plastic with 2 balls in it that act as a counterweight, and it's in here and it's angled down like this. When you get a jackpot, it tips like a seesaw and activates the light. Right now it's in the wrong position, so there's a little blue knob just down below, and we're going to push up on that blue part. So I pushed up and it reset the seesaw. The light went out, and now your machine's ready to play. This is the most common problem with machines, is that folks play it with that seesaw in the wrong position, and then balls start to back up and jam your machine. So seesaw's in the right position. We got the balls loaded. You'll need to put a bucket down at the bottom to catch the balls of some kind. I'm going to set a board across those 2 legs that we put there, and then I can take my bucket and I can set it there to catch the balls. They'll come out of these 2 chutes here, that one there and that one there. But first I need to put some balls up front. You just take a handful of balls and put them in the play tray. I'll put the bucket in place. Okay, now your machine is ready to play. The first time you flip your flipper, it's going to load a ball into the shooter assembly, and then the second time you flip it, it'll actually shoot. So we'll pull down and shoot once. I pulled all the way down. Now I'm going to let go quickly, and nothing happened. If I do it again, a ball launched on the playfield, fell between the nails, and fell down through this out hole and back into the bucket. So another common problem is people aren't sure how to flip. They may grab the entire handle and pull it down and then lift up, but they didn't flip fast so the ball didn't shoot out. So now next time you flip, there's going to be 2 balls in the shooter lane, and sometimes there's not enough power to shoot them out onto the playfield. So if you were to do that several times, you could have a jam in there, and we cover that in the instruction DVD on how to take care of that. So you want to make sure that you flip quickly. That was barely enough to let both balls come out. Let's zoom out so you can see some of the playfield. Okay, this is just a sticker that's on the plexiglass. That's not on your machine. So I'm going to pull down. We just got a jackpot. It paid out about 15 balls here, and the light flashed. So you can keep playing. And if you pull the flipper all the way, the ball tends to go to this side of the machine. So you practice by pulling it down part way, and you can try and get the ball to drop in the middle or drop here over on the side. And with a little practice, you can go kind of fast. Okay, we got a couple jackpots. If this tray ever starts to fill up, you just slide this lever over and the balls will fall down into your overflow tray. If you have any other questions, watch our video, the instruction DVD, and give us a call or send us an email. Thanks so much, Ron. Hope you enjoy the machine.